Hi, I'm Pete Delgado, the President and CEO of Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System. For the last month, we've been bringing you weekly updates on COVID-19 here at our hospital. We've remained busy with COVID-19 patients this week, but thankfully, we didn't set another record for the patient admissions. I hope this is a sign that more people are taking the threat seriously. However, I'm still very concerned. Overall, the numbers in the county still reflect a very serious situation. Earlier this week, we were treating 20 people in our 2 COVID units. As we experienced during our first shutdown, this is a time when we might see hospitalizations begin to drop a bit. That remains a big unknown, but it's a possibility. The risk is, though, that if we see numbers improve over the next few weeks, that people will get complacent. We can't afford to do that. The minute we let our guard down, COVID-19 will take advantage. More people will get infected and more people will again wind up in the hospital. Please remember to follow these simple steps. First of all, treat everyone you encounter like they might have COVID-19. Wear your mask whenever you are around others outside your household. It's the most effective way to protect yourself and others. Just take a look at how the virus can spread from person to person. You can see here how wearing a mask limits the risk. You also must wash your hands frequently and maintain physical distancing from others, even when outside. Before we end, I also want to share an exciting development. You might have seen the news recently about the state expanding support for agricultural workers. That work actually first began here in Salinas. Since early April, Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System has been involved in various outreach efforts to this vulnerable community. One way we have helped is by educating workers about how to stay safe. So far, we've reached more than 11,000 workers and 18 companies. Here's more on this inspiring story.
Tengo 2 niñas, eso es el temor más que nada, ¿no? En un principio era algo así como que, pues no va a llegar, ¿no? O sea, era algo que estaba muy lejos. Nunca imaginamos que fuera a llegar y tan luego casi con nosotros en la ciudad.
Queremos darles información para que se puedan proteger y saber qué hacer en caso que alguien se enferma.
This is our community outreach to help our ag community and people that work in the packing plant, shipping, our harvesters, our truck drivers.
A huge part of our job is education. It doesn't matter if that's in the hospital or if it's out in the community. That's our job as nurses, and it's great to be able to come out and to exercise those skills out here.
I want to say we've seen almost about 8 or 9 companies, and I think we educated about at least 6,000 people so far.
Ayuda mucho realmente porque habemos varios de que no tenemos mucho conocimiento acerca de lo que está pasando, entonces es bueno saber y tener más información de lo que trata este virus.
Something that we emphasize is, maintaining that social distance. When you take your breaks for lunch, make sure that you keep your distance from everyone else. If you're going to be close together, you're wearing your mask, but also taking it back home. How can you protect yourself out in the supermarkets? How can you protect your household?
Ahora sí que llegando a casa o para evitar así un posible contagio, lo primero que yo hago es cambiarme de ropa. Si se puede en ese mismo momento, pues darme un baño. Para mí, en lo particular, me parece muy importante que nos vengan a dar un poquito más de información.
It's been very humbling being out in the cold early in the morning, in the rain, and then in the afternoons it gets pretty hot, and just to experience a little bit of what these workers do every day. It's hard work. We're very grateful for the service that they're providing to our community, to the nation. They're feeding us.
Agradecerle al Hospital Salinas Valley Memorial de que estén haciendo este acto.
Y que espero que sigan compartiendo esto.
What a great program. Thank you to everyone who made this a success. Remember, please be smart, be safe, and be well.